Hey guys, this is Matt, and today I am testing out the DJI Pocket Creator package. This is the one that includes the mic, the stand, the everything here encompassing in one. And what I really want to talk about here is this package worth it? Because right behind here, I have my professional camera. I have that nice blurry background. I have a good depth of field. It's a nice wide range. This is going to be a different version of just kind of getting content made and done. And I think this is my favorite camera to make something on. Right now, I'm actually recording here. I'm streaming, not streaming, but actually casting this to my phone so I can see this. I can see how much blurry background we're getting here as I get closer to it. And with two professional lights on me, I think this looks really, really good. Sorry, I know I'm supposed to be looking up here, but I'm looking down here. It looks really, really good. It's crisp. And of course the sound's going to be good because I have my little microphone here, and this is all included in the Pocket, let's call it the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, because that's really what it is. I had the original one. I love that one so much. That one is now, I gave that to my dad, and he loves using it too. This one is probably known for creating some nice stable footage, but this kind of whole creator's package, it's so good for just having everything on the go for what you need to have a podcast, to have an interview set up where you're talking not with one person but another person and handing off the mic. It's really, really good just to have everything that you need and to have it in such a tiny little package. And again, I'm using this right here. I could be casting this to a gigantic iPad if I wanted to, and have a gigantic screen so I could see if I'm in focus. I can see if the light and the brightness works out. I could see if everything was there. And right now, let's see. I started at 80%. I've been playing around with this thing for about 5 minutes before actually recording again. We're at 70%. And we've been going on for about 3 minutes. This has been a great little thing, and I can't get over, again, the fact that everything is in here together. One thing you may notice is I'm holding it by the case itself, because normally, if you want, there's a clip. This could be fit right here, and I can have that little fuzzy cat just right there, but it's ingenious how they know this can be clipped here for storage, but it can also act as a microphone, like a professional microphone, as in doing those interviews, just back and forth. And I think it's a really, really good look for this thing. So right now, I believe the kit starts at $400. I may have to do some updates. There's sales going on all the time. But the one thing, make sure if you get the Pocket 2, make sure you get it with the microphone, with the casting cable, with everything here, just so you can make sure that you have everything all together. Or if you just kind of want to walk around, if you don't need this perfect sound, because the sound recorded out of the device is really good too. If you don't need that, then just get that. It's a really good camera. But if you were just to get something for stabilization during during the day, I would probably get this instead. This, though, does well at night. This is the Action 2, and this is another favorite hated camera. You've probably seen my other videos about this, but yeah, these make the best, most usable footage that I've seen. It's not as crisp as my professional Canon camera, but hey, this is all the size of 3 pencils stuck together, and that is really, really good. By the way, this is getting pretty loud over here. Can you hear that? Is it really getting in the way of me just talking to you? But alright guys, this has been a quick rundown and use of the DJI Pocket 2, something that I really recommend for any time. I have the little wide angle lens on here. There's a little adapter that you can take on and off. That's how I'm getting so close and getting that nice blurry background. But yeah, anything, put in the comment section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And look, I press this button, video's over. Oh, and by the way, this is footage without the mic, without the extra wide angle. I push the camera in. It's probably super, super loud and you maybe can't even hear me. But this is if you're not using the mic and not using the little adaptive lens. And now that's all.